Hi, I'm Dr. Ann Burchell, and it's my great pleasure to welcome you to the International Papillomavirus Conference, coming to you virtually from Toronto, Canada. And I'm here with Dr. Margaret Stanley, who is not only co-chair as well of the IPVC 2021, but also president of the International Papillomavirus Society. Welcome, Margaret.
Thank you, Anne. And I've been to just about every papillomavirus conference since the early 1980s. And so for the highlights of this meeting, I am, as a friend of mine would say, super excited. There is an absolutely stellar basic science workshop where the current and most important topics in papillomavirus molecular virology are given. And they're in the public health tracks. We're getting reports and results of trials which are of key importance in the implementation of vaccination, particularly one-dose vaccines. Now, we've got a lot of innovations because of the virtual platform, which allows us to have a number of specialist symposia, which we wouldn't be able to otherwise put on, and to expand other areas. Anne, I'm going to ask you to just give us a quick update on that.
We have some great satellite symposia that are coming to you. There are going to be 18 in total, 5 of them live, including very exciting ones on one-dose vaccine, another on head and neck symposium, and a third that gives you a bit of a Canadian flavor, looking at the Canadian viewpoints on reaching cervical cancer elimination.
What about early career? Because that's been a real important development in the Papillomavirus Society, the emphasis on the early career researcher.
Yes, we've put a huge focus on that, Margaret. I'm quite excited about what we have on offer. So some of the things to watch out for is that we are going to have awards for best presenters across all 3 tracks and the different presentation formats that we have. So please come to the closing session to learn who our awardees are. And then we have 3 live sessions that are going to be quite interactive with our theme of looking at better communication and collaboration and how to have a successful career in our field.
One of the criticisms of the virtual platform is you can't actually network effectively, but I think there are ways of overcoming this. And we've tried to do that in this coming conference. So can you give us again a little bit of insight into that?
For each of the live oral sessions, there's going to be a live Q&A toward the end of them. So please get in there and ask your question. And if time runs out, or because of where you're at in the time zone across the world, you can also keep the questions going with the presenters, keep those conversations going. There are going to be chat rooms that are available to you in the networking lounge. And you can also use the networking lounge just to keep in contact with other researchers from across the globe. So don't forget to visit it.
So I hope we've enticed you to come to this meeting. I think it will give you the latest information, irrespective of your interest in papillomaviruses, whether you're a basic scientist, a public health physician, or a clinician managing HPV-associated disease.
Not to be missed. Thank you, Mark.
Not to be missed.